All right, question 17 is another multiple choice problem. It says we're going to take a look at which of these equations best matches this graph right here. Okay, well, the first thing I would notice is that this is a dotted line around the parabola, meaning we're not including the equation. So, but when I look at my options here, all of those options are excluding the or equal to, so that's not the differentiating feature here. Notice that, and again, in this case right here, the y-axis here is not, I'm not clear about what the intercept is. So maybe what I would do is look at the axis of symmetry, draw that line straight down, and from my vertex, I can see that I'm shading down. I am not shading above that particular number line, which would take the place of the y-axis here. So this has to be a y is less than something. Okay, which means it can't be A and it can't be C. So it's got to be either B or D. Now the question is, how do I differentiate between those two when it's clear? I mean, if I try to compare the y-intercepts, well, in both cases the y-intercept is 20. So what I got to do here is take a look at my vertex, and I notice that my vertex, and this is a little bit light here, but I can see that the vertex is actually fairly clearly at the point 3, 2. Okay, now you probably can't see it there, but if I was to zoom in, and hopefully the camera will focus, should be able to, I bought it specifically for that. Yeah, you can see right there. There's the 3 and there's the 2. And that's the vertex there. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm just going to check and see, can I get that with either one of those? So if I plug 3 into, for example, B, 3 squared is 9. Minus 6 times 3. Well, 6 times 3 is 18. So this is 9 minus 18. Okay. Plus 20. So 9 minus 18 is negative 9. Plus 20. Well, negative 9 plus 20 is going to be positive 11. That means that would put my vertex here at the point 3, 11. Well, that just isn't true. So it can't be this one. Now, by process of elimination, it has to be D. But just to double check that, 2 times 3 squared, okay, well, again, 3 squared is 9, so that's going to be 18. Minus 12 times 3, okay, well, 12 times 3 is 36. 18 minus 36 is negative 18. Plus 20, negative 18 plus 20, is in fact 2. So this would tell me that the vertex is the point 3, 2. Yeah, the answer has to be D.